Right, 3.2. If the sum to infinity where k starts at p, 4 times 3 to the power of 2 minus k is equal to 2/9. Determine the value of p. Okay, so because this is the sum to infinity, we know that we can use the equation a over 1 minus r, and also just make sure that it's a converging geometric series before you use this equation. Right, we already proved that in the last question that it is. So we know from the last question that r is a third. Now, what is a? A is the first term. So from a previous question, we already figured out what the first term is. And the 1 is where we substitute the k in, so that is also where we would substitute the p in. So 4.32 minus p. Right. Substitute everything in. Okay, 1 minus 1/3 is 2/3. So this is being divided by 2/3, so we just times it by 2/3. Because we want to isolate this p, right? So we just want to get rid of everything on the side of the p. So that should give us 4/27. Okay, so now is an interesting step that you should recognize, is that when the variable is in the power, in the exponent, okay, we need to find something that relates to the base as well. Okay, so we can see that 27 is a power of 3. It is 3 to the power of 3. So let's put it in the same sort of format as the left hand side. Okay, so we can divide both sides by 4, and we're left with 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 2 minus p. Now, because the bases are the same, we can just equal the powers, the exponents. So p is actually just 5. And this is minus 3.